Alright, it's been a while, but I'm back. Kaweco Allrounder disassembly line. Why is it called Allrounder? Made of aluminum. It's round. Okay. Unscrew, cap, put away for future reference. Section, converter, pull out converter if you have one. These come apart. Make sure piston is about halfway through, easy to manipulate. Unscrew, metal ring. Take out. Piston turning knob comes out. Little plastic piece, do not you lose the wee little piece because your converter will fail. Pull out. Piston. Put a little bit of silicone grease right there, lube it up. Take your little plastic white part, put it back in. A little bit of fiddling. Now it fits into the little slot there, you see. So if it doesn't fit, you're not doing it right. Then take a little turning knob, turn a few times for easy manipulation. Take a little metal ring, put it back in. Wee converter, all done. Now, section, easy. Put the nib in the crook of your finger, put your thumb on top. Unscrew section. 3 parts, nib collar, nib, feed. Hold in same fashion, pull, comes out easily. If it doesn't work the first time, use a little bit of rubber. Clean well, put it back in, nib, slides into slot. Nib collar, doesn't matter, round opening, put it in any way you like, it will all work. Section, nib, thumb, screw it. Converter, take out, push it back in, unscrew cap and barrel, screw barrel back in place in one flick, quick of the wrist, no, quick flick of the wrist. Then cap, boom, done, sit back, enjoy yourself a bit of haggis.
Bye!